Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make the Roblox accessories have a have its attributes. Whether you can see there's this horsepower, the idle RPM, kick multiplier, and then kick RPM, and then kick speed, kick RPM, and redline RPM, and all that stuff. Yeah. You can also add other custom things, but in this tutorial I'm just gonna show you how to add these things so you can implement it on other stuff as well. Before I show you, let me demonstrate on how this works. So as you can see, this is the default settings, like the horsepowers and everything. Yeah, as you can see, this is spawned already. And then when I drive it, so yeah, this is the default power. As you can see, it works like a normal car and everything. And then I'm gonna try to increase the horsepower to make it more powerful. Yeah, of course. So as you can see, I click here and then I just click the script and then open property and then just change the horsepower to maybe like what, 500. Yeah, like that. So I just gonna spawn right here, not making the same mistakes. As you can see, yeah, the car is now a bit more. As you can see, the car is now more powerful, way more powerful than before. And yeah, that's just how it works. So to make it fair, I'm gonna just get the default chassis from the chassis from the toolbox. Wait, let me get the. See, this is the. Yo, what? Yeah, sure. This is the chassis that came from the toolbox, and as you can see, when you click the property of the script, you cannot see anything. Yeah, so it's actually pretty simple. As you can see, when you go to the script, I can just find the horsepower. I changed the horsepower variable to script that attribute horsepower. But what is exactly the attribute you're looking for? Well, it's actually quite pretty simple. You can just go to here and then go to script, and then you can add an attribute, like for example, make it boolean. Yeah, no, not boolean, number. Yeah, for example, I want to make horsepower like this and save. And as you can see, now I have created a new value, a new attribute in the script. Yes. So when you open the script, just find horsepower. As you can see, the horsepower is usually labeled, not labeled, type as like 150 or any other numbers. But in this case, we just have to script attribute, and then you put this, and then this is horsepower, right? And put horsepower. And you can do this with other things as well. Like for example, I want to add the red line. Just type red line and then number and click save. So go to the script where it says red line, the variable, and then just type script get attribute, and then put here. I put this and then red line. Why doesn't it appear here? Yeah. Okay. I think that's right. So when you finish, you just go to the assistant and then make the horsepower like maybe 500, and then the red line to 8,000. Just like a normal car will be. And let's see if this would work. I hope so. As you can see, it works. It works pretty normally. The red line does put at it's at 8,000 RPM. And I don't know, maybe I haven't know if I could change this when the car is already running. But if I remember correctly, no, you can't, because the chassis was already initialized. But let's just try anyways for the sake of curiosity. Maybe let's try putting 10,000. Yeah, it doesn't change much. No, it doesn't change at all because the settings was already initialized. And also look at this drifting skill. Yeah. Oh no. Okay. So that's pretty much it for the tutorial, and thank you for watching. I hope you guys find this useful. You can share this video to someone who needs it. Yeah. Thank you very much. Bye bye.